Hinikayat ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang mga alagad ng batas na magpatuloy lamang sa ginagawang kampanya laban sa iligal na droga. Ayon sa Pangulo, isang malaking tagumpay na maituturing ang pagkakasawata sa mahigit 7 bilyong pisong halaga ng iligal na droga sa 13 Martires, Cavite. Dagdag pa ito sa mahigit 56 billion pesos na halaga ng drogang nakumpiska mula sa mahigit 180 anti-illegal drug operations mula nang mag-umpisa ang kanyang termino.
Let me emphasize that our law enforcement agencies and the operatives, despite the extraordinary circumstances caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, these criminals do not cease in their nefarious activity. We must therefore remain steadfast in our campaign, not only by intensifying our operations against drug trafficking, but also by reforming our criminal justice system and addressing the root causes of drug abuse and dependency.
Dagdag pa ng Pangulo, kailangang mas maging alerto ng hanay ng pulisya at Drug Enforcement Agency, lalo pa ngayong nasa gitna ng pandemya dahil ang pagkakataong ito ay sinasamantala ng bawat kriminal at adik. Ang pagiging drug-free naman daw ng Pilipinas ay ang pinakamagandang regalong maaaring iwan ng kanyang administrasyon.
Ending illegal drug trade means securing the future of our nation. Together, let us make a drug-free Philippines the greatest legacy that we can leave behind to our children and the succeeding generations.